Yes, the Christmas tree is still here. I have not taken it down. You know what? It may stay up all year round. I just had to show you the beautiful spring is in the air. Wait a minute. What am I talking about spring? It's always summer. It's hot as you know what. It's going to be 85 degrees spring. Well, we do get rain these seasons. But look at this peace, my people. Who wouldn't want to live in a state where you get weather, year-round weather? Oh, my people. It's too much peace for one person. I gotta share the peace. I gotta spread the peace. I take that back. It's never too much peace, my people. There's never too much peace. I can just sit or lie here. Oh my gosh. Listen to the sounds. The birds are singing because it's spring, or almost spring. Look at the daisies are growing at the bottom of the stairs. I gotta clean that up. Because the one thing about flowers and shrubs, they grow like every minute. If I don't cut that down, it'll take over the whole house. But got those yellow daisies or whatever they are. Oh, and this tree, I never trim it. This palm tree. Listen to the sounds of the birds. The pool that nobody uses. Oh, people, you have to come down and enjoy this beach, forever summer.